Hey, welcome to today's video. In this video, let's take a look how we can automatically rig and animate a dog. So before we do, let me just press play and show you what I have. So before we do, let me tell you a quick story. Last year on my job, right, I had a position, full-time position. I was actually tasked with modeling, rigging, and animating a dog walk cycle. And the modeling was really easy. The rigging and animation took the most time on my end. And honestly, I wish I had known about this tool that I'm about to show you, because this is pretty fantastic. So here it is, the end result. And when I bring it into Maya, there is some cleanup that needs to be done. You could see if I slow this down and attempt to kind of scrap through it, you can see there's a few issues, right? One of them being, if I show you this side here, you can see the legs are kind of crossing through. And honestly, this is a really easy touch-up to to fix this animation. But even adjusting the skin weights is going to be super easy here in Maya as well. But the bottom line is you can just get pretty much 99% there, completely 100% automated. So honestly, I am personally blown away by this. Maybe some of you already know about this tool, but I have not. So let's find this dog. The dog is actually from ZBrush. He's a free ZBrush dog. Let me jump in there. And here's the dog. If you go to your lightbox, you can see the default dog. Everyone should know this famous dog. He's right here. If you select him, I didn't do anything to him, right? This is how he comes. He doesn't have any subdivision levels, and he if I turn on the poly frame, you can see that the poly count is pretty good. It's almost 8,000, right? If we wanted to unwrap it, we can unwrap, and let's check out the UVs. These are fine for what we're doing. And I'm not even going to poly paint it or create textures or anything. Let's just simply rig this guy and animate him, right? So for this, I'm going to export him out as an FBX file. Next, once you export him out, you are going to have to go to a free website, and the website is called Anything World. So this is a free animation tool that is pretty great. It's not going to create mind-blowing 3D at this point in time, because they do have a library of things that you could choose from, and you can play around with it and check it out. But the only thing that I'm interested in is taking my dog and automatically creating kind of the rig, right, for it. So to do this, I'm going to jump into something called Animate Anything. And before I do any of this, I just want to tell you guys I'm not affiliated with this website. I literally just found it a few minutes ago, and I was playing around with it. So I'm not part of this as a sponsorship or anything. But anyways, it's super fun. So I'm going to jump into Animate Anything, and you will have to log in with your Google account or something like that. Then it says upload model. So I'm just going to say upload your model. It says browse your files, so I'm going to choose the FBX that I just exported out from ZBrush. And I'm going to say upload. And you can see the file is right here. It's called dog.fbx. It says if you have any textures, you can also include these as well, so you can attach them. Obviously, I don't have any textures for this guy, so that's fine. Upload your model. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to say continue. Let's name our model. So I'm just going to call it something generic like dog. What type of model? It's definitely a dog. And here he is. He's looking good as is, right? I'm just going to simply say continue. All right, so the next screen is, so our main category is quadruped. That's 4 legs, and it's going to be a canine. And let's just do continue. It's asking us if the dog is symmetrical. I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to tick this little thing. And I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to say continue. All right, so it says your model is getting rigged. So let's just give it a couple minutes. All right, next the screen says tweak your rig. So if we take a look, we can see that maybe some of the joins are not aligned perfectly. So I'm just going to double click on one and literally just move this up. All right, so maybe that's a little bit better, and maybe I can take these guys and let's see if we can move them in a little more. And the head I think is fine. I guess the head should be maybe here somewhere. So I think that is the extent of my tweaks. I'm gonna go ahead and say view animations. All right, so the next screen, it says your model is getting animated. This could take up to 5 minutes. So let's give it some time. All right, and here's the result. So you can see that there's clearly some tweaks that need to be done. That looks pretty creepy, but I should have adjusted some of the joints on top by the hip. But it does give you a really solid start to play with. So at this point, I could go back and maybe adjust some of the rigging. So this is a really cool way to get kind of a jump start at a quadruped for maybe a horse or a cow or a dog or a cat or something like that. Hopefully that's going to help you in your workflow. Maybe give it a shot and see if it's useful to you. But I'll see you guys in our next video.